Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday. So today, I think I'm going to try one of these peel-off masks. Here's my little stash of masks and my little peel-off mask that I got from Dollar General. And I think I'll just pull off the top one. This is a black seaweed peel-off mask, deep pore detox. It's for all skin types. It's from Seventh Heaven and I got it for $1.25 on the clearance aisle. So before I turn the camera on, I took my trusty little tinkle. Everybody needs a tinkle. And I shaved all the hair off my face because if this is truly a peel-off mask, I have watched y'all use these and it was quite entertaining. And I mean, I like to be entertaining in my videos, but I don't want to be painfully entertaining. So I shaved my face. I did a video on how to shave your face and the whys and busting all the myths about how your hair is going to grow back in darker and, you know, you're going to have a full beard. And I'll link that up in the iCard. I never can remember where the iCard is. It's over here. So, go watch that. Shave your face. It's good for you. Exfoliates. It makes your face super smooth so that when you put your makeup on, it looks really good. If you're a mature person, when you put your powders and stuff on, you know, your powders can really show up the texture of your face. When you put your powders on, if you don't have any fuzzy stuff on your face, it makes your skin look super smooth. So get you a tinkle. I'll link the tinkle down in the description box too. And shave your face. So, let's mix this up. And then we're going to start to apply it. So I'm going to have to do this one like I did the last one and cut it open so I can get all the ooey gooey goodness out of it. I really am running out of this stuff. Alright, looking like I'm going to have to go in with my fingers. I'm going to have to cut her open. Scalpel. Okay, there's some more gooey goodness in there. I'll just do it with my fingers. This is messy. I don't want to get it on my nose ring because I ain't trying to rip that out of my face either. Well, too late. And now that I'm putting it on my skin, it doesn't necessarily smell all that great. Alright, so my hands are all clean. I cleaned my paddle and my scissors. And the packaging says to leave on for 20 to 25 minutes or until dry. I can already feel it starting to tighten and it's tingling a little bit. It itches right there. I'd really like to scratch it, but so while we're waiting for the mask to work its magic, I thought that I would show you all of the things that I have been buying. I certainly have an issue, and maybe we should, along with Mask Monday, start a makeup buying support group because I'm going to need a part-time job. So these are all of the products that I will be using in upcoming videos. And most people have like a little basket. I have a big basket. Stuff that I need to play with. I'm so excited about some of it. I just can't wait to dig into it. I have a couple of Fenty Beauty products. I have the Ease Drops, the blurring skin tint, and I think the shade that I got is 7. I'm super excited to try that. And I also got one of the match sticks. This is in the color Honey. You know, Sephora's sale was last week. It ended last Monday. to get your discounts if you were looking. This is really getting tight. But when I went on their website, the Dominique Cosmetics palettes were on sale. So I got the Celestial Storm palette. That's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. And then I also got the Berries and Cream palette. I had ordered this palette when BoxyCharm had it. And by the time I checked out, it was gone. So I saw that Sephora had it on sale, so I ordered it. These palettes were on sale for $22. I don't know if they're still on sale. I have the Natasha Denona. Some of the stuff I may have shown in another video. I can't remember, but we'll show it again. I got the Natasha Denona All Over Face and Body Shimmer Powder, and this is in the color medium. It's very pretty. And I got the Alter Ego. I have not used any of the Alter Ego products, but they have Natasha Denona dupe palettes. So this is the Canyon palette, and it's a dupe for the bronze palette. And it's so pretty. So I'm excited to try that. And then I also got the Blooms palette, which is a dupe for the Love Letter palette, I think. I don't have either one of those Natasha Denona palettes. I do have some of her palettes, but not these two specifically. But I have seen some videos. This is really pretty too. And then I have another Fenty Beauty. I have the Soft Matte Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 260. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about everything in here. I don't know why I keep saying I'm excited about it. And I got this Wet n Wild to Reflect Shimmer palette. I have read lots of great reviews on that, and I am a highlighter girl, so I got the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Satin Birthday Suit blush. I have a Lancome Booster XL mascara, super enhancing mascara base. And I wanted to buy these at Christmas time, but I didn't. But I was at Marshall's the other day, and they had these there for $11.99. It's the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Finishing Powder Duo. It's the full size plus a little free mini. Been wanting to try that too. And then this is a new to me brand. This is Ditto Cosmetics. This cute little palette. I think I saw this palette on Instagram. Cute little palette, but oh my goodness. Look at those shadows. And I love the texture. I don't know why shadows that have texture to them are so intriguing to me, but those are so pretty. I can't wait to dig into those. And that was all I ordered from them. And along with that, they sent me this little single shadow, dual intensity shadow. Get Physical is what it's called. Look at how cute that is. So pretty. And they also sent me a set of magnetic lashes, and they sent me a brush. And all I ordered was the palette. Now, was it a mistake? I don't know. But I'll take it. I also have this little Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. Purple. I'm telling you, purple is my favorite color. So pretty. Are y'all paying attention to the time? How much more time have I got? I have not been paying any attention to the time. And then this little Beauty by Pop Sugar palette. Be Bright Shimmer Highlighter. Hot damn, it says. The packaging is just super cute. The watercolor look to that flower just really appeals to me. And again, that textured, you see the flower in there, it's so cute. I just love that for some reason. Oh my gosh, I have so much. I have so much stuff to try. I bought all 5 of the ColourPop palettes, and I know that these are not new, but they're new to me. The Lyric palette, Ballad, Amour, Crush, and the Cherish palette. Those are so cute. Love those little small palettes because you can just throw them in a bag and take them with you. And then also while I was at TJ Maxx, I got this Pixie palette for $7.99. I know, y'all. I know. And then I was on Amazon and I saw this Charlotte Tilbury palette, the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize, and I had this on my wish list. I don't remember, Sephora or Ulta, one or the other. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. Oh. And it was on Amazon. I don't know, it just popped up for me somehow. And I got this for like $39. It is so pretty. I have a few Charlotte's palettes. And that's gorgeous. This Natasha Denona palette, I may have gotten this from a BoxyCharm pop-up. You can see I've already stuck my fingers in that. I couldn't help it. I love the blues. So pretty. While I was at TJ Maxx, I got this Becca. It's a glow something or another palette. I got it for $16.99. This is really pretty too. I love that. That's cute. Pop Goes the Glow Champagne Pop Face and Eye Palette. Look how pretty that is. Very pretty palette. I like Becca Cosmetics. I hate that they're going out of business. 2 more, y'all. Just 2 more. Yeah, I believe that I got these last few palettes. Well, I know I did. I got them at the last BoxyCharm pop-up sale. I got this Illamasqua palette. This is Unveiled. It's a very soft palette. Very pretty. And the last thing in the box is this Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush. It's a blush and highlighter palette. I got this from the BoxyCharm pop-up as well. How cute that is. And it's got the little holes so that you can pop those out. It's so pretty. And it's got the cover here over the top row. Gosh, I just love how that looks. I am so excited to try that out. So those are all of the new items in my You Need to Try This Out very large basket. For a little while because, you know, Sephora had their sale and I ordered some stuff. So then that will need to go in my little basket. So let me know down in the comments if any of you have any of those products and whether you like them or not, and if there are any of those that you would like to see me try out first, just let me know. And to remind everybody that I'm doing a giveaway once I reach 200 subscribers. I have a box of goodies valued at over $400, and I will put the link to that video up in the iCard. If you have not watched it yet, you can go watch it, and the video will tell you how to enter the giveaway. So, we're not quite dry. Almost, but not quite. So I will be back when the mask has dried, and y'all can watch me rip it off my face. I would smile, but I can't. Alrighty, y'all, I'm all dry. It's very tight, very shiny. So let's pull this sucker off and see if it causes me an enormous amount of pain. Yeah, I got it in my hair. Can't afford to lose any of my hair. It comes out pretty easy though. Oh, I got it in here right there. Ow. Ow. Oh. Yep, I can see. If y'all didn't shave your face first, how this could be extremely painful. It's not painful. It would have been had I not shaved. It's a little tingly as I'm pulling it off, but look, I got it all in one piece with a chunk of hair. I absolutely do not like the way it smells. And I have some little pieces that I still need to pull off. So there we go. My skin feels really soft now. I just have to go get the charcoal off my nose. So there's another Mask Monday in the books. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me attempt to hurt myself with a peel-off mask. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we're all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, oh yeah. I got 3 more peel-on masks in my little basket over there. Yeah. There is not a doubt in my mind that your face will be clean shaven when you get here, because you know. You know that Mama will put that all over your bearded face and rip it off. Why? Because she loves you. I love you, boo-boo.